Good morning, grade 9. How are you? I hope you be fine. Today we're going to complete our revision sheet. Today is part 4. Open with me your sheet. It's page 31. It's number 31. We're going to complete from number 31. Here, he's telling me to multiply. Do you remember how to multiply? First, I have here a bracket, same as this bracket, but the change here, this is plus and this is minus. That means it will give me difference between two squares. Do you remember? Difference between two squares. Or if you want to make it multiply as usual, first time first, second time second. And means and extremes will give you 0. Means and extremes give you 0. 7 times r, 7r, this is the means. R times negative 7, this is the extremes, negative 7r. So 7r, negative 7r will give you 0. So there's no middle term. There's no middle term. So how can I get the first term? The first time first. R times r is r power 2. And the second time second. 7 times negative 7 is negative 49. So which is the answer? The answer here is A. Okay? Very good. Here, find the prime factorization of 70. Here I started chapter 8. Do you remember how to get prime factorization of 70? We said before that we can make it with 3 or with division. Let's remember together. This is, if this is 70, and I'm going to make it with 3. So 70 is what? 7 times 10. Okay. Is 7 a prime number? Do you remember the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. You remember? So 7 is a prime number. So circle around it. 10 is a prime number? No, it's not a prime number. So factorize it more. It will give you 2 times 5. 10 is 2 times 5. Is 2 prime number? Yes. Is 5 a prime number? Yes. So 70, I can write it as a prime numbers, factorizing prime numbers as 2 times 5 times 7. 2 times 5 times 7, which is B. Okay? Okay? Nice? Okay, grade 10, grade 9. Let's complete. Number 33. Find the greatest common factor of 48 and 72. Do you remember how to make this? First, we must factorize each of them. Okay, let's factorize each of them here. 48 and 72. Let's factorize it with 3. 48 is what? Is 8 times 6. Is 8 or 6 a prime numbers? No, so I will factorize more. So it will be 2 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So I will take the 2 because it's prime number and factorize the 4 more, which is 2 times 2. Okay, very good. And the 6, it's not a prime number, so I'm going to factorize it more. It will be 2 times 3. And both of 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so I circle them. Now I finish 48. Let's make 72. Let's make 72. Let's make it with the other way, with division. Do you remember the way? The other way here, division, divide by 2. 7 divided 2 is 3. Then 12 divided 2 is 6. Divide 2 again. And remember, I divide only with the prime numbers. I divide only here with the prime numbers. No one tell me 36, I'm going to divide it with 4. No, wrong. You must use prime numbers only in division, in this part. Okay? So 3 divided 2, 1. 16 divided 2 is 8. Divide 2 again. It will give you 9. Divide 3 بقى, because 9 cannot divide by 2. Okay, it's not divisible by 2. So 9 divided 3 is 3. Divide 3 is 1. So all of this part is my what? Is my prime factors. Is my prime factors. So how to get the greatest common factor? How to get the greatest common factor? I will list 48 and 72. Yalla, let's list it. Okay, here 48 equals what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 3, 4 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times, and times 3 at last. Okay, very good. Let's see 72. 72, I'm going to list 72. It's equal what? 2 times 2 times 2, 3, 2. 2 times 2 times 2. And 3 times 3. 3 times 3. How to get the greatest common factor? I'm going to get the common here. 2 and 2 here common. And 2 and 2 here common. And 2 and 2 here common. And 3 and 3 here common. I will not take this because there is no here common. And 3 here has no common here. So the greatest common factor, it will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, so 8 times 3 is 24. This is the steps. Remember the steps how to get it. Okay, very good. Here in number 34, find the greatest common factor of 2m power 5 and 32m power 4. How to make this? We said that we're going to get greatest common factor, the least power. Which is least power here? M power 5 or M power 4? It's M power 4. Very good. What about the numbers? I have here 2. 32 is 2 times what? 32 is 2 times 32 is 2 times let's divide. It's 1. 12 is 6. 16. Okay, so it's 2 times 16. So I can take 2 from here and 2 from here. So my greatest common is 2m power 4. 2m power 4, which is D. Again, if I have m power 5 and m power 4, I'm going to take the least power. Least power, which is m power 4. Here 2, and this is 32. I must think 32 is 2 times what? 2 times, and divide 32 by 2 to get the 16. So I have here common 2 and 2. Take the common, which is 2. So the greatest common factor is 2m power 4. Okay? Okay. Nice, grade 9. Let's complete. 35. Factorize the polynomial. Here I have a polynomial like this. How to factorize it? How to make it? First, I'm going to check the numbers. Okay? Here, 12 is what? Is 3 times 4. Is 3 times 4. Okay, very good. And 33 is 3 times 11. And 6 is 3 times 2. Do you see something common here? The 3. Very good. Tell me, grade 9, the 3 here is repeated. So the 3 is the common. Very good. So I can take 3 as a common. Very good. Now I have here y power 3 and y power 2 and y power, no power means 1. Very good. Y power 3, y power 2, y power 1. So I'm going to take the least power. The least power. So it's y power 1. Very good. So this is my greatest common factor. So I'm going to write which remains. How to get which remains? I'm going to divide every term by the greatest common factor. Let's divide. 12 divide 3 is 4. Y power 3 divide y. It's y power Dividing, what I'm going to do with the power? I'm going to minus. 3 minus 1 is, 3 minus 1 is 2. Very good. Plus. 33 divide 3 is 11. Y power 2 divide y, it's y power 1. Excellent, grade 9. Minus 6 divide 3 is 2. And y divide y, خلاص, nothing. Fly together. Okay? Finish it. So where is my answer here? Where is my answer? It's A. Okay? Very good, grade 9. Let's complete here. 36 factor 5 open bracket x minus 2 minus 9x open bracket x minus 2. What do you see here? Grade 9. You are going to tell me, Miss, there is a common bracket. Excellent, grade 9. Really, I have a common bracket, which is x minus 2. So I'm going to take x minus 2 as a common. X minus 2 as a common. Excellent. What remains? What remains? Remains 5 minus 9x. 5 minus 9x. 5 minus 9x. Because I take from this term the bracket and I take from this term the bracket. So here 5 and here negative 9x. So which is my answer? My answer is D. Excellent, grade 9. Excellent. Let's complete. Factorize this. So easy. 100 is what? What two numbers? I times it together. Their sum, because I have here plus. Their sum is 101. Of course, 100 times 1. Okay, 100 times 1. So x plus 1 and x plus 100. Why plus and plus? Because the last term is plus. So the two terms, the two terms like the middle. The two terms like the middle. So here, it's D. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Let's complete. 38. Here, think, grade 9. Tell me. Dima, Marco, how are you? Monia, let's solve together. 48 is what? What times what? 48 is 8 times 6. Because 8 times 6, if I make them plus, because I have here plus, 8 and 6 will give me 14, will give me the middle term. Right? Excellent. And if I have here plus and this plus, so the two numbers are plus. So plus 8 and plus 6. Where is plus 8 and plus 6? It's C. Excellent. And of course you can use your calculator here. If you have Casio 991, you can use mode 5-3 and put the coefficient here 1, 14, 49. Okay? It will be easy for you. Here, let's solve this one, 20. What with equal what times what? What is the factors of 20? It's what? 5 times 4. Very good. It's 5 times 4. I have here negative. So this means one of the two numbers here is positive and the other is negative. Which one is positive and which one is negative? If I have this, that means this is the greater number, the sign of the greater number. So which greater, 5 or 4? 5. So 5 must be positive and 4 must be negative, which is A. Remember? Remember grade 9? Excellent. Very good. Thank you, grade 9, for your time. Please try to solve it. And you have assignment homework, first assignment homework. It's uploaded in your website, Sunrise International School, Hurghada website. You are going to find first homework and assignment. Please solve it with my best wishes. Thank you very much. I was with you, Ms. Randa Wahid. Thank you.